Okay, the top part of the inner spool is smooth. It's black, oxidized, but it's smooth. This area here in the middle is rubberized, so the line will grip it very easy. You got 14,000, 10,000, 8,000. I have line on all of them. The 8,000 has 50-pound test, the 10,000 has 65, and the 14,000 has 80 that we just spooled on just now. Okay, other features. It has a hydro block, watertight drag seal, a precision elliptical gearing system, quickset anti-reverse roller bearing, multi-disc Japanese oil felt drag system. It has CRC, which is corrosion resistant coating process, HDG, which is the corrosion resistant high density gearing, has a mag alloy rigid frame construction, has machined aluminum, two-tone anodized and ported spool. It has a custom blue anodized machine handle knob. It's heavy duty, solid aluminum, gold anodized bell wire. And you know me, I love those thick bell wires. Okay, it has RES, which is a computer balanced rotor equalizing system. It has a narrow body blade designed for reduced fatigue, as you notice here. And like I said before, Cedros Spinning Reels are backed by a 1-year warranty. This is the new Cedros. The old Cedros is no longer available and it's been superseded by this model. This is Akuma's new high-end spinners and is going to be a great product with low MSRP.